Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making steamed potato shreds. Let's get right to it. To start, peel off loose carrot and potato. Place the grater in the bowl with the prepared potato. Shred potato on the side with small holes. Do the same for the carrot. Dry the shreds on a piece of paper towel. Sprinkle flour on the shreds to coat evenly. Steam over high heat for 10 minutes. Transfer the shreds to a bowl and stir in some salt. Add oil to a cold pan, adjust the heat to medium-high and add minced scallions. Stir until aromatic. Pour on the steamed shreds and add in oyster sauce, sesame oil, rice vinegar, and cilantro. Stir fully and then steamed potato shreds is ready. Please try the recipe and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching and see you until next time.